Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. This is going to be a fun video because I want to see what this thing will sound like on all the old vehicles, obviously. But then I also want to see what the wheel horse will sound like with it. And I want to see what the tractor will sound like with it. So this is going to be a lot of fun. And you may notice I'm not using my iPhone camera. Well, that's because when you record loud sounds with an iPhone, I absolutely hate this about iPhone. It does this. Gives that farty sound, and then the gain does not come back up for several seconds. You can't hear anything for a few seconds. I hate that. This camera does not do that, so that's why we're using this. Alright, so as you can tell, actually I don't know if you can tell or not, but in person that is ridiculously loud, especially with the muffler on. It almost sounds louder with the muffler on, but that's probably because there's two inlets on this exhaust, or this muffler rather, and one end is pointing sound toward me, and I can feel it in my chest. It is ridiculously loud, even with those hearing protectors on. Alright, that was a lot of fun to make, guys. I love making videos like this. Anything with exhaust, guys, I feel like I could make a video on all day. It would not get old to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was very interesting to hear what that sounded like on the 3910. I did not expect that. It sounded pretty good, I think. And the wheel horse was really funny, too. I bet you guys weren't expecting this video, but I always like to think of unique ideas if I can. This was a lot of fun to make. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. If you're stopping by for the first time and you want to see videos of this thing getting the new exhaust and hearing it run with Flowmaster Super 10s, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell because you do not want to miss that video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.